Hello students, today we'll continue with exercise 9.4. In this session we'll understand sum number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of question number 3. There are more 4 sums under this question number 3 that we'll understand in our next session. Okay, so let's begin with sum number 1. Now in sum number 1 you see that binomial into binomial is given plus one constant term is given. Fine. So the first thing that you will do is you will multiply this binomial into binomial, which you have already understood in our previous videos also. So first of all you have to multiply these two. How to do it? This monomial term has to be multiplied with this binomial term, that is x square into x plus 5. Now minus 5 is there, minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. Now we have to open the bracket, isn't it? Now x square into x is what? X cube. Now plus, here is no sign means plus, plus is plus. X square into 5 is what? 5x square. 5 into x, 5x, minus plus, minus 5 5s are 25 plus 25. Now is there any like terms? No like term, but these two constant terms are there, so we can solve it out. So minus 25 plus 25, that is minus plus is what? Minus 25 minus 25 is what? 0. Since it is coming 0, so we can cancel it out like this. So the remaining terms are x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is your answer. Okay, easy. Now let's move on to sum number 2. This is sum number 2. Very similar to sum number 1. So again you have to do the same thing. That is, again you have to multiply with binomial into binomial. Whatever would be the product, you have to add with the constant term. Okay. So again let's start. A square into what? B cube plus 3. Now again with plus 5 we have to again multiply that one binomial. This binomial. That is b cube plus 3. Now what is remaining? Plus 5. Now we have to open the bracket. That is a square into b cube is what? A square b cube. Now this is carrying plus side. The plus is plus. Now if you multiply a square into 3, it will be 3a square. So the multiplication is done. Now when you multiply 5 with b cube, what will be the answer? 5b cube plus is plus. 5 3s are 15 plus 5, isn't it? Plus 5. Now any like terms? No like terms, but we can always go for the solution of 15 plus 5. That is a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 15 plus 5 is what? 20. Now this is your required answer. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number 3. This is sum number 3. So in sum number 3 there is only the binomials are given. That means that is only you have to multiply and you have to show the product. So it's easy. So t into this whole part, that is t square, t square minus s. Again you have to multiply this with this one, x square into t square minus s. Okay. Now this is only t is given. Now t with t square is what? How many t's are there? 3. So you will write t to the power 3 plus minus s into t is what? st. Now the same thing you will do with this. S square into t square is what? a square t square plus minus is minus. How many s? Here is 2, here is 1. So altogether 3. You find any like term? No. So this is your answer. So simple, isn't it? Now let's move on to sum number 4. This is sum number 4. Okay, this will be little big. So you see, first thing, binomial into binomial, plus again they have given binomial into binomial. Again they have given two monomial with binomial you have to multiply. So there is a big sum. Okay, so let's begin with this one. So a into c minus d plus B into C minus D. This part is done. Then again you can keep it inside the curly bracket so that you can understand the product of this is this one. Now when we'll do this one, so again you give curly bracket, that means A into C plus D, A into C plus D minus B into again C plus D. So this is a multiplication format of the second one. Okay, and when you're multiplying this monomial with binomial, so just straight away multiply it. 2 into AC is 2AC, plus is plus, 2 into BD is 2BD. So this part is done, multiplication part is done. Now we will multiply this, A into C, AC, plus minus A into D, AD. Okay, now we'll do this. BC, B into C is BC, plus minus B into D, BD. Okay, this part is done. Now we'll finish up this one. A into C, AC. Here is no sign, means plus sign, plus is plus. A into D, AD. Now this one, B into C, BC, minus B into D, BD, plus 2AC plus 2BD. Now we'll see is there any like terms or not. AC and AC. So we'll bring this all like terms together. So AC plus AC, and what is here? 2AC. Okay, so this is one like term. Now again we'll see AD. AD is there. AD, yes, AD. This is one AD is here. AD, any AD? No. So we'll write this minus AD plus AD. Done. Now we'll look out for BC. Now BC, is there any BC? No. So we'll write it down. Plus BC minus BC. So this all like terms of, I'm bringing it, just skipping it together. Now BD, this is also BD and this is also BD. So we'll keep this all together. So minus BD plus 2BD. Okay, now solve this. It will be AC plus 2AC. How many ACs are there? Here is 2, here is 2. So 4AC. Minus plus minus. So AD minus AD is 0. So we'll cancel it out. Plus minus BC minus BC 0. So we'll cancel it out. Minus BD. Okay, minus BD is what? Minus is what? Plus. So we'll write. Let's write it down. Minus BD plus 2BD. Okay, now we'll solve this to first. Okay, we'll keep this as constant. So minus is plus. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we'll give this minus sign. What is left out? 2BD. Now finally we'll solve this too. Okay, minus 2BD minus 2BD. When we minus same terms, what is the answer? 0. So we'll cancel this. The answer is 4AC. Okay, so this is a solution of sum number 4. Okay, so for today you just have to do only 4 sums, that is sum number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of question number 3. And in the next session, that is on next video, I will be giving the solution of the rest 4 sums, that is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, thank you and take care.